Hey guys, I am back with the last freebie of the month for October. It is this 6-subject hyperlinked Goodnotes notebook. I also include the PDF, so you can use this in digital planning apps other than Goodnotes, but I usually make it and test it in Goodnotes. So the Goodnotes file and PDF are included. I'll give you a quick overview of how it works. So here is the cover, and if you don't want this to say notes, if you want it to say something else, just put a black square over it, and then you can head over and download some free planner stickers, and you can decorate the front if you want. Next, I will go over the hyperlinks with you really quick. The next page is the index. These are hyperlinked and these are hyperlinked. So push this button up here if you want to make sure you're using the hyperlinks, and then you push it again if you want to edit, add text, pictures, things like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and check that, and this and this go to the same place. And I was doing an example in another video here. So let's say I wanted the first subject to be for math. So I am just going to copy this, and then when I go to, or again, I could have just hit this star to take me to this. And then if I paste it in, I can set it here, and that way, so I can click this button or this, and it takes me to math. That way, if say I'm down here, I can still get to it by using this side tab. And then if you click this little orange flower here on any page that you're in, it'll take you to the templates index. So I have a blank, a lined, a dotted, and a graph. Let's say we wanted some of this dot paper. I recommend leaving the templates blank so that you can just copy them. So I go to copy page up here under these 3 dots. I go to that section, I hit the plus, and paste page. And that way I can add as many pages as I want using these built-in templates. So these are the last 4 pages in your notebook: blank, lined, dotted, and graph. The page right before this is just the divider page that says templates, because this is the last page of your last subject. So you can copy those templates in between all of these as many times as you want. You can re-upload another copy to your Goodnotes app when you want to start a new notebook. So if you want to do it by semester, or if you want one that is for journaling and one is for school, it can be, it's a great 6-month planner. You can do January, February, March, April, May, June. And then if you want to save that one, you can upload another one and then do the last 6 months of the year, or start wherever we are. And then I have my link down here so that you can check out all of the free templates, stickers, Goodnotes notebooks. I have a ton of those too. To grab this notebook, you can go under the Goodnotes section, and I will link it below, and go to my monthly Goodnotes freebies. And you can check out all the previous months too. Some of them are specific to the month, but a lot of them are not, so you can reuse them. I have more notebooks, stickers. So this is the October article. So it has a template that I previously made in a previous video on Canva. So if you want to watch that, you can learn how to make your own. And you just scroll down and you click the button under anything that you want, and it will just download, depending on what it is. This notebook, for example, it will download a zip file with the PDF and the Goodnotes file. So you can open up the PDF and share it to any digital planning app that allows for hyperlinked PDFs. And you can even try it here just in the PDF form. And then the Goodnotes, you can always just open that. Otherwise, if you're on your iPad, you might have to click share and then share to Goodnotes. I usually use my Apple Pencil with these notebooks, but I'm screen recording just so I can show you. And then when you are done downloading that, feel free to head over to all of my Goodnotes freebies here. I have other notebooks. I have Goodnotes stickers and templates. You can put all of these into your notebook or on the templates. I provide the PNGs and a lot of times a Goodnotes sticker file. So you could grab these and then drag and drop them over, or copy and paste them into your notebook. So let me know if you have any questions, and let me know what you want to see in my next set of freebies for November. Thanks.